Imagine this. You call your broker, clean record, no claims. They ask one question. Do you have a documented safety program? You don't. They say, we're not quoting you. No numbers, no negotiation, game over. Here's how to make sure that never happens to you. Hi everyone, I'm Matthew Grenade, and this is The Business of Building, where we give you practical business advice you can actually use. I'm the CEO of Dragonfly Insurance in Texas. We work exclusively with contractors, tradesmen, and builders. Every week, I break down one topic that matters to your business. Today's topic could save you 30% on your renewal or stop you from getting quoted at all. This isn't OSHA training, this is business survival. Let's get into it. Here's what's changed. Insurance underwriters used to price for safety. Now they qualify based on it. If you can't show them a basic safety program, many carriers won't even give you a number. They just move on to the next contractor. And this isn't them being picky. This is about nuclear verdicts. Jury awards over $10 million. They have exploded. The average nuclear verdict has jumped from $21 million in 2020 to $44 million in 2023, more than double in 3 years. Insurance companies are terrified. They're bleeding money on massive verdicts and they can't predict who's next. So they started asking a question. Does this contractor take safety seriously enough to write it down? If the answer is no, they're out. They don't care about your clean claims history. They don't even care that you've been in business for 30 years. No documented safety program equals no quote. Now you might be thinking, this is just insurance companies being insurance companies. But here's the thing. You should want a safety program, even if they didn't ask for it. First, fewer people get hurt. That's the whole point, right? When you write down the rules and talk about safety every week, accidents drop. Second, lower insurance prices. 15 to 20% lower rates for contractors with documented programs. It's real money. Third, better legal defense. Your safety record becomes evidence you were responsible. The difference between a $75,000 settlement and a $2 million verdict that wipes you out. And fourth, your job sites just run better, less chaos, easier hiring, steady pricing. So what does a bare minimum safety program actually look like? You don't need a 100-page manual. You need a binder and a pen, 5 pieces of paper. That's it. Number 1, written safety policy, 3 pages. PPE requirements, ladder safety, fall protection, basic job site housekeeping. Download a template from OSHA, customize in an hour, sign it, done. What it proves, that you take safety seriously and someone is accountable. Number 2, prove you train your people. 1-page form for every new hire. They get a safety briefing before they touch a tool. Weekly toolbox talks, 10 minutes every Monday. Sign-in sheet with names and dates. OSHA publishes free topics. You don't have to create these from scratch. What it proves, safety isn't just day one, it's ongoing. Number 3, incident report form. Even if you've never had an incident, you need a process. Who fills it out? Who investigates? What gets fixed? 1 page. What it proves, that you learn from mistakes. Number 4, trade-specific hazard controls. For construction, address the 4 focus areas. Falls, struck by, caught in, and electrocution. Document your specific risks, not generic boilerplate. Photos help enormously. What it proves, that you understand what actually hurts people in your trade. Number 5, put it all together. 3-ring binder or a Google Drive, that's your safety program. Think of it like rebar in concrete. Invisible most of the time, but without it, everything falls apart. Let me tell you what happens if you skip this. Last year, a Texas contractor got sued after a job site fall. Plaintiff's attorney asked the question, show me your fall protection policy. He didn't have one. Jury awarded $18 million. His coverage was maxed out at $2 million. He lost the business, his house, his retirement. At renewal, you'll pay 30 to 50% more than contractors with programs, or you won't get quoted at all. Though we're small and informal, defense does not work when someone is dead or permanently injured. Here's the bottom line. The contractor with a 5-page safety policy gets quoted. The contractor with nothing gets declined. Safety isn't about perfection, it's about proof. Underwriters don't expect 0 injuries. They expect 0 excuses. I wrote a full blog post on this with links to templates and way more detail. Go read the whole thing on our website, dragonflyinsurance.com. And if you want the same checklist we give our clients before renewal, shoot me an email, matthew@dragonflyinsurance.com. I'll send it to you personally. While you're here, hit subscribe. We drop one of these every week. I hope you found it helpful. As always, stay safe out there.